Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a meeting on Zoom. Here are the detailed steps to create a meeting on the updated Zoom web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your preferred web browser or just open the Zoom web application, which I have just done right here. And once logged in from the Zoom homepage, which you have in here, go ahead and click on new meeting, or you can click on schedule meeting if you want to schedule a new meeting. So once you click on this new meeting, then you should be able to start your meeting, or you can click on schedule to schedule a new meeting. Now, if you choose to host a meeting that will start immediately, just go ahead and click on the meeting itself. Click on the meeting and you're provided with this option. So you're going to have to wait for the meeting to connect. I'm going to disable video and I'm going to disable audio, clicking on X, and continue to disable my audio. So now your meeting has started. That's if you're hosting the meeting just live. Now I want to end the meeting, so I'm just going to click on this and end meeting for all, and I am good. So, but if you want to schedule a meeting, just click on schedule a meeting. Then here, enter the topic. So enter a name for the meeting in the project discussion, example project discussion, and then the description of it. You can add an optional description about the meeting. Then when, that's the date and time. Set the date and time for the meeting and choose the time zone for the meeting if needed. Set the duration as well. So the duration, set an estimated duration for the meeting. This is just for scheduling purposes and doesn't limit the meeting duration. Then time zone is necessary to select the time zone for the meeting. Check if it's recurring. So if the meeting will occur regularly, go ahead and check this box and set it if it's going to recur. Then meeting ID, you can enter like generate automatically. This is the default setting where Zoom creates a random meeting ID, or you can click on personal meeting ID where you can choose to use your personal meeting ID, but it's recommended to use the auto generated one for added security. And you can add a passcode right here on the security for added security. Zoom will provide a default passcode, or you can create your own. And if you do not want a passcode, you can just disable it. Then the next is the waiting room. Now enable the waiting room feature if you want to control when participants are allowed to enter the meeting. This places attendees in the virtual waiting room until the host admits them. Then host, that's the video setting. You can choose host, choose whether to start the meeting with your video on or off. And then participant, choose whether participant's video will be on or off when they join. Then you can also head over to calendar, that is Outlook, Google Calendar, or the calendars where they can get the memo. And once you're done, please click on save. You can also click on advanced options too. Allow participants join at any time, mute participants upon entry, automatically record meetings on the local computer, or approve or block entry for users from specific countries/region. And of course, once you're done, select save. Once you've set all your details and click on save at the bottom, it's going to be saved. And after saving, you'll be directed to a page with your meeting details, including your meeting ID, passcode, and invite link. You can copy the link to share with participants. You can also click copy invitation to get formatted meeting invitation, including the link and other details, which you can send to your participant via email or messaging. And if you're ready to start the meeting immediately, click on start this meeting after saving, and this will launch the Zoom meeting window where you can begin the meeting. So with these steps, you can successfully create and schedule a Zoom meeting with the updated Zoom web app. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.